Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video of email marketing, we will see how to know if your sent email has been opened by your receiver or not. So I have made a lot of videos related to email marketing, and if you are visiting my channel for the first time, then here you can see I have already uploaded 3 videos and more videos are coming soon. So if you go to this playlist section, then I have also made a separate playlist for email marketing. You can just check those videos by clicking here. Now without further delays, let's get started. I will put a link in the description. You just have to click on that link and you will be directed to this page. So this is an amazing website for email marketing, and if you go to these tools, then here you can see that you can also create a campaign and you can verify emails and you can also find email addresses. So I will make more videos on this website, and if we talk about its pricing, then here you can see that this annual plan, and if I go to monthly plan, then here you can see for the first plan you just have to invest $39 per month, and these are their other plans. And here you can see that they are giving different services, like you can verify emails, you can create campaigns, and you can also send bulk emails. Okay, so I have found this website very amazing for email marketing. If you want to upgrade your plan, then first you have to go to the sign up and you have to create an account on this website. Okay, so back to our video, we will just click on these tools and we will go to track send emails. Now just scroll down and install this extension to your Google Chrome. Click add to Chrome. So here you can see that the extension is added to my Google Chrome, and if I go to my Gmail, here I will click on this activate. Okay, and this is added to my Google Chrome. Now let's see how it works. First of all, I will go to compose and I will send a demo email to my other email address. So I will just paste my email address here, and this is just for the demonstration purpose. I will write my first email. Okay, and here I will write hi. Okay, and after that I will just create a link here. Now with the help of this extension, you can also send your message at a specific time. Okay, so you just have to click here and you can just select any time from here, and you can also set a reminder from here. Okay, now if I go to my sent email, then here you can see that this is still unopened. Now I will just open this email in my other Gmail account, as I had clicked on that website, so the report is showing that I have one click on my email. So this is how you can track your email using snow.io. So this is completely free service by this website, and to access more features of this website, you have to upgrade your account to any of these plans. For more videos related to email marketing, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.